My name is Yogesh Thorat. I am from Shirur. I have done master degree in botany in 2019 from Savitribai Phule University, Pune. I know about iTpreneur from social media. Then I joined testing course. In testing course, I learned manual testing, automation testing, Selenium, core Java, SQL. After complete my course, I got placed in good company within 3 months with 3.5 LPA. I would like to thank Tejaswini ma'am, uh, Yogesh sir, Pranit sir, Imran sir, and all placement team who helped me to get a good job in IT. Thank you, IT Planner.